Okay, welcome back, and we want to focus on the CSS overflow. The CSS overflow specifies the behavior that occurs when an element content overflows. That means it doesn't fit the element box. Let's go ahead and preview this. So I created a div. This is a H1. This is a H2. This is a div. You know what a div is? A div is like a container box. And so it's also an HTML element. We're going to be using it. You're going to be using it almost all the life of your development. It's actually like a box. Use it to lay out like a box where you put things inside. And so let's see how this renders on the browser. And so now if you look at this, you will notice that this is the div, and we gave the div a width of 250, a height of 150, and a border of 1 pixel solid, and we added a color, hexadecimal color. So because we gave it a height, a fixed height, you see the thing is overflowing. It's overflowing the box. Now, the CSS overflow allows you to handle such a thing, so that when this is overflowing, you can actually handle it. So I went ahead I added a class to that. So I'm going to pick the class. Okay, and so to do that, I'll just use .scroll. Okay, so I'm going to say overflow. So I'm going to say scroll. What am I saying? I'm saying that if there is an overflow, you should add a scroll button to it. Let's reload and see. So you see automatically it has added a scroll bar. So this is very important. Let's say you're laying out a web page and you want your content to stay. Let's say you're asking people to put in their about us information, and they went and wrote a 15-page article, and that page can only contain like 5 lines. So you might want to add a scroll in that section so that it doesn't distort your page layout. Another one we want to add is they are saying that if it's overflow, it should be hidden. So whenever it gets to that number, CSS should hide it. So you see, it stopped at that point. It didn't add a scroll, and it is hidden. Another one that I want to show is auto. Let's see how it renders. So what auto means, auto is saying that if it is not more than that, don't add scroll. But once they type something more than that, so look at that auto we have. If we reduce this content from here to here, the auto will automatically disappear. The scroll will automatically. So auto is used to automatically insert it just in case. But if it's not more than it, do not add a scroll. But if it is more than the size of the box, go ahead and add a scroll. And so that's just it. The default is visible. The default overflow value is visible. You're saying show it. So if you don't add anything, it will. If you don't give it any instruction, it will be visible, and that's the default. And that's it about CSS overflow. In the next class, we're going to dive into other aspects of CSS.